Hey guys, hope you all are safe at home. Since we weren't able to have class today, I just wanted to give some brief, very short video lessons to help you catch up and make sure that we can have a really good final project. And so uh, basically what uh, I have done with the project is instead of having 3 topics, we will only have 1 topic. And so uh, your class will only be focusing on food waste, and you will not be doing recycling or showering. And so the two main questions you guys will have and will focus on are and this was also in the questions asked in the survey that I gave out in the morning, the survey. Uh, the first question is, how many lunches have you eaten at SB that are meat versus vegetarian? And there are 5 different answers. So we have 100% meat, we have 75% meat, we have 50% meat, we have 25% meat, and then we have 0% meat. So for 0% meat, that means you only have you are only eating vegetarian or the B option. For the second question, it is how much of one lunchbox do you eat at SB? So again, there are 5 options. So for 0%, that means you don't eat anything. For 25%, that means you eat some of the lunchbox. 50%, that means you eat half. 75%, that means you eat most. And 100% you eat all. So we are going to look at this data, all of the numbers we got from the surveys, and we will also look at the graphs from that data. And then we are going to, you guys are going to research a little bit more about this topic so we can come up with some like suggested actions that are good for the environment. Okay, we want to find things that are very good for the environment, and we want to tell everyone about it on celebration.